Hey there, aspiring marketers. Are you ready to transform your skills into serious cash? Today, I'm talking about becoming a digital broker. It's a booming field where you can connect people seeking goods and services with the businesses that provide them. High demand, high income, and high value. Many business owners today have no clue how to boost their brand awareness or attract customers online. That's where you come in. With digital marketing skills, the opportunities are endless. You can offer your services, start an agency, or become a broker connecting businesses to eager clients. Imagine the revenue you could generate, not just for yourself, but for your clients and your family. And the best part? It's an amazing time to dive into the digital space as it continues to expand. Ashton James Digital offers a free online digital marketing course. You heard that right, free. This course includes hundreds of hours of video training, a complete business-in-a-box setup with a pre-built sales funnel, automated email templates, and campaigns, plus a website. You get to choose from 4 digital products to plug into your training, get real-world experience, and start earning while you learn. By the end of the training, you'll have a fully functioning online business. The course, the automation, the business in a box, all free. You just pay for the digital products, starting at $100. You can even spread the payments over 12 months. So, if you're ready to take the plunge and earn big, drop "I'm ready" in the comments or send me a message. I'll send you all the details. Let's make your digital dreams a reality. Catch you in the digital world.